the correct way to output. Why are we talking about directing? Because the proper directing helps reduce pressure on the bowel and colon. Of course, it prevents the appearance of complications such as hemorrhoids and constipation. A little practical advice: help you with proper extraction. The first need is a sitting position. You have to sit down and take a correct sitting position. You can use a small chair under your legs to lift your leg, so that the knees stay at chest level. Position to 35°C with the body. This position makes it very easy to open the rectal muscle. And it gets better, of course, with the output process. It helps you if you work out the entire output and improve the process. Of course, it reduces pressure on the anus. The second step is deep breathing and relaxation. You must be sitting on the toilet. Breathe slowly and deeply to relieve tension on the rectal pelvic muscles so that you are organized yourself and take it in a way. Deep and slow. This reduces muscle pressure in the pelvis and rectum. As I speak, the third advice is excessive tension. Single pressure leads to hemorrhoids and inverted anal tears. I mean, you must avoid it all if you are tightening or hard pressure on your muscles. This single pressure will lead to the emergence of a need called hemorrhoids or rectal tears. You may not have hemorrhoids, but it is possible to have a crack. In both cases, the subject remains very painful. Let's talk about how to get rid of constipation. Why do I get rid of constipation at all? Constipation is not just an annoying feeling, but it can also lead to very many complications, like the anal fissure, as we talked, and hemorrhoids. Also, it is possible to reach a blockage in the intestines. This is not, of course, the feeling of discomfort. Let's talk about natural remedies first thing. We have to eat vegetables. Increase in fiber intake, or leafy vegetables like spinach, broccoli, fruits like apples that has a very high fiber percentage. And of course, we eat these things as God created them. We don't go to make it juice, because if using fruit in juices, you're getting rid of existing fibers. Who makes the extraction process easier for you? And you need the daily amount that you can eat. 25 to 30 grams of fiber per day. Take it in the way you like. It facilitates the digestion process in general. The second need is to drink very sufficient amounts of water, and the one who is from 8 to 10 verses per day. At least the softness of the stool will improve very. The third need to practice activity. Exercise or physical activity remains for all people, even the elderly. Walking for 30 minutes a day stimulates bowel movement. This will be the least physical effort you can do, but depending on the age, if you can do more than that, of course it is preferable. And the people who remain have difficulty in coming down. You can work this 30 minutes a day inside the house. Movements like military movements, so that your heartbeat rises and you're an effort factor called cardio. It burns with you and increases your physical activity. Fourth need. Can we use recipes at home, such as flaxseed drink? Of course, this is hanging from linseed with a water cup. We will drink it daily. Flaxseed is very high and very rich in fiber. If you take a pinch of olive oil on an empty stomach, this is very better than Lionel's excrement and helps him get out.